Japan is under seismic siege. Over 1,100 earthquakes have rattled the Tokara Islands in just 10 days, forcing evacuations on Akusekijima after strong tremors struck again and again. On July 5th, a fresh magnitude 5.4 quake hit near the Ryukyu Islands, part of a rising strain pattern building across subduction zones like the Nankai Trough and Izu Trench. Deep quakes from the Mariana Trench are feeding pressure into the Pacific and Filipino plates, pushing directly toward Japan. While experts warn a megaquake is possible, viral panic is spreading too, fueled by a July 5th prophecy that's left many unnerved. Scientists stress there's no way to predict the exact timing, but the signs of stress are real. This is not over. Stay aware, stay